chairman, co-founder of this institution or organization, and invited my younger brother, dear Pramod Babu, and other teachers and students of this institution who are on the dais. And our camera brothers, Mr. Renu Bhai, and my dearest and dearest students. Today is the happiest time for you all students. I would like to say, all of you say, I will never say, when and where Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, whose birthday we are celebrating today, you have already discussed. I will tell you something other than what you have told. Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan was a great educator, mentor, teacher, lecturer, philosopher, as well as politician. As to philosophy, I would like to say, teacher is the guru, guide, friend, and philosopher of the student. Why teacher is guru? Because teacher is happy. In a nutshell, we will take it into consideration. Very happy, because he brings light in the utter darkness to the students. Guide, because teacher watches you at all times, and in your suffering, teacher, to whom we call an ideal teacher. Many speakers have told ideal teacher, Adarsha Shikshaka. To whom shall we call an ideal teacher or mistress? If a teacher or mistress possesses flawless character or possesses flawless conduct, then we shall say he or she is an ideal teacher or mistress. And this saying, character is a priceless possession of an individual, so that everyone should guard his or her character at heart. There is a proverb in English, if health is lost, something is lost. If wealth is lost, nothing is lost. If character is lost, everything is lost. So that I request both students and teachers, all of you should guard your character at heart. You should try your level best to keep your character on service. I mean to say, you should not spare your character. Another thing, teacher plays a vital role in building the character of the students, in building the society, so that teachers are makers of the society. As in philosophy, according to Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan's philosophy, though he was a philosopher, he said, teachers are makers of the society, the destiny of the nation is being set in the classroom. Unless the teacher bless you, unless the teacher bless you, no student can move even a few steps ahead. Just like God's grace. Without God's grace, no one can move ahead. One can take a step ahead. Similarly, likewise, without teachers' blessings and teachers' grace, no student can move ahead or go ahead. You have already been taught. A great man of India. I am giving you an example. Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, who was born in a poor family. He was selling newspaper to supplement his family's income. Ultimately, he became a great man of India. In 2002, he became the 11th president of India. He is also, or he is widely known as the, popularly known as the missile man of India, or the DRDO, president of DRDO, president of ISRO, and he began or started his career joining in a heart, Hindustan Aeronautical Limited. Even he was honored three awards like National Science Award, award he was honored. Due to the perseverance and endeavor, with the blessings of his science teacher, whose name was Shiva Subramaniam Iyer, he was always in his good book, he was always inspired by the science teacher. Students, you mindfully listen to me, what I am speaking regarding you. You should not disregard your teacher, you should always respect your teacher, you should obey your teacher, you should adore your teacher. Apart from this, now I am telling something regarding the teachers and mistakes. According to Thakur Anumul Chandra, students going to schools all are not real students or are true. Teachers and mistakes who are teaching or who are disturbing teachers or deeply inside the classroom, they all are not real teachers or true teachers. I can study here before you because it has an infinitesimal meaning. According to Thakur Anumul Chandra, I am a mere man. How can I explain before you this thing? I have a heart with the philosophy so that I explain before you. Another thing, teacher who shares with the will and all of the students, he is your real guide. छात्रमानଙ୍କର ସୁଖାଧିକାର ଯେ ଭାଗ୍ୟଲା ଯେ ତମର ତତ୍ପର ଦାୟକ philosopher as you have already told Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, he himself was a philosopher. He has vividly described so many things in his philosophy. I have not ample time to tell you regarding this thing, so last but not least, till then I have taken permission with the chairman as well as the principal of this institution to take 15 minutes, so that I would like to say another thing. Students, listen to me. Another thing. Student, hello. One more thing. You know, if I read out mythology, you know, Drona, Acharya Drona, who are the guru of what? Kauravas and Pandavas. But Arjuna, who was always in his good book, still then he was fighting against Arjuna. It was the deviation, it was the exception in the relationship between teacher and a disciple. Guru Shishya Parampara is a व्यतिक्रम. Another thing, Ekalavya, you may take example. Ekalavya, who was following the principle and ideology and path and a philosophy of Drona. Drona is directly denied him, directly refuted him, directly turned down his request to provide his lesson. You are not Kshatriya, you are not king, sir. You are a mere man. But it did not mind, it did not take anything into mind. He killed his statue with the help of clay and followed all the things which were inspired by Guru Drona. He became great disciple in mythology. Another thing, Upamanyu, Aruni, even if Lord Krishna, who is our creator, who is our maker, who has made everything and all the things for us, who has given us five physical property, eye, ear, mouth, tongue, skin, etc. He had also Guru Sandipani. Sandipani Guru did not beg anything to Lord Krishna, though he was his disciple. But Guru Ma begged one guru to Lord Krishna, please restore my son. You know, in mythology, Lord Krishna fought against the Panchajanya and found his son and returned to his Guru Ma. Only one son, who was the apple of the eye, or कोई बड़ा बेसिक सब्जेक्ट कोणती? It was the reward of Lord Krishna towards the Guru Ma and the Guru Sandipani. Even if I will elaborate many things, I have very short time. I will not take any more time to speak you many things. So, last year eventually, I would like to say, students, you listen to me. If you disregard, you disobey, you disarrow your teachers and mistakes, you cannot develop in your future life. So that I advise you, I suggest you, I instruct you, even if I direct you, you should follow the principle and ideology and path of the teachers, what he said or she said, or what he or she tells you. At last, I conclude my speech, wishing you all the best on the auspicious occasion of the 63rd auspicious occasion, that is Guru Diwas or Teachers' Day, which is made for the birthday of late Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, who was the president and first vice president of India.